it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I really appreciate you being here because there are so many different constraints on our time and so many different artists out there. The fact that you're with me, I really appreciate that. So what I've got going on here, I have this is probably going to become a commemoration swipe, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to talk about it. Maybe as we get into the video and I do any voiceovering, I'll talk some more about why it's commemoration. But basically, I'm going to do a bloom swipe using these little swiping tools. These are little acetate pieces you can pick up at Staples, Walmart. They're thick acetate that I'll use as a swipe. I've got my pillow paint. This is a bloom technique, bloom swipe. My pillow is the GLN 6011N from Glidden, eggshell. I've got 7 colors over here I'm going to play with. And I've got 2 different cell activators over here. These are both my American Floetrol cell activator. So just so you know, as I go through this video, I'll speed up and delete where I need to save time. This is probably going to be a multi-layered video. And I don't know whether I probably will end up resining this. We'll see. The tricky part is this is a canvas, and I'm not sure if the resin would sink inside, so I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. So, all right, let's just get started. I'm going to lay down my pillow, and I'll stretch this out, and I'll probably come back when I get all this stretched out and laid down. All right. All right. I need to open these up and stir them up a bit. I'll go over my colors as I go here. First color is Amsterdam's Caput Mortem Violet with Deco Arts Amethyst. My laydown has got to be important here. All right, everyone, so as I start laying the colors down, I'm going to call out the colors in writing so you can see what colors I'm using, and I'm going to go and fast forward because you can see what I'm doing. And in the meantime, I'm going to put on some music, and I'm going to be back right before I start to swipe with my American Floetrol cell activator. My swiper off. Now I've got my American Floetrol cell activator. I just made this up a couple days ago. It's been working great. And I have Persian Rose cell activator. And if you're interested on how I make this, I have video 141. I will link it above. I show the ingredients and how I make this in about an 8-minute video. That's really big. Do I want to go that big? I'm not sure. Do I want to go? This looks like a good size. I'm not sure. It's about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. I got various sizes here to play with if I want to change. Put them down on a piece of paper towel so I can see them easier. They're hard to see on this mat. Okay. All right. So I'm going to lay down. I'm going to go with white. Some white. And then Persian rose. And we'll see how this goes. I'm going to dip it in some and dip it in the other, and then we'll get started. Just start up here. Dip. Dip. And they'll mix, and that's okay. I gotta remember to go over the edge when I get done with swiping it. See how strong that purple is? That purple is out of control, crazy strong. Over the edge. Oh, why is there so much purple there? That's kind of weird. So I'm going to continue to show you a few more swipes on regular speed, and then I'm going to speed up and might cut out a few pieces here and there, but you won't miss anything that's important. Didn't quite get over the edge again. Okay, let's try it again. So a point here is that as I'm pulling the swiper out and dragging it through, I have to make sure I go over the edge and drop the paint down over the side. I'm going to pick up the pace here as I continue to swipe this out, and I continue the same steps, dipping into the white cell activator and the pink cell activator, swiping, wiping off the swiper, and then reactivating with cell activator. And I'll be back when I get through this part. Okay. Clear the deck. A little spin. Oh, oof. Oh, I like the way this is stretching. I need to get my sides. So at this point, it's just a matter of spinning it to get it to stretch out and cover the sides. Oh, I love the way this is stretching out. Oh, oh. Okay, we gotta get you a little more over the edge too. Okay. Pillow over here. So through here, I'm just going to add some more pillow to the sides to make sure my sides are covered. Grab it, grab it. I need it to spill over the sides. And that was the one spot that's not cooperating. So I'm just touching the sides here because it's not spilling over. Just giving it some flow paint because it's not flowing on one side. It's pretty good though. So there's like spots here. I don't know if you can see. I'm just gonna touch it with pillow just to coax it to flow. Just coax the flow. All right, a little spin and we should be just about done. All right, we're calling it done. I'll get you an overhead in a second. I love the way this turned out. Oh, so vibrant. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Here it is without butterflies and here it is with, and I'd like to know whether you like it with or without the butterflies. So if you're new here and enjoyed this, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. In the end, I did resin this. I use KS Resin Liquid Stone, and if you go to my description, you'll find a 10% coupon code off for my resin that I use. And when you use it, I get 5% back toward future purchases. So it's a win-win, and it's an easy way to help support my channel. At the end of the video here, I will link my playlist for other swipes so you can see other creations and other styles. And that's all I have for now, everybody. Take care. Till next time.